Hello guys. Welcome to Amazing Facts of World YouTube channel.
Please subscribe for more interesting videos. "12 Interesting Facts About Ford." Before going to the facts, let me give you guys a small introduction about Ford Company. Ford Motor Company is an American multinational automobile manufacturer headquartered in Dearborn, Michigan, United States. It was founded by Henry Ford and incorporated on June 16, 1903. The company sells automobiles and commercial vehicles under the Ford brand, and luxury cars under its Lincoln luxury brand.
Coming to facts. Fact number 1. Ford is the second largest family-owned company in the world. Henry Ford's great-grandson, William Clay Ford Jr. currently resides as the company's executive chairman. Fact number 2. The very first Ford sold was to Dr. Pfennig in 1903 for a grand total of $850. The model had a 2-cylinder engine and could reach a max speed of 30 miles per hour. Fact number 3. Ford's current CEO, William Clay Ford Jr., or Bill Ford, currently owns the first Ford vehicle ever sold in 1903. Fact number 4. Henry Ford and Thomas Edison were lifelong friends. As requested by Ford, Thomas Edison's son captured Edison's last exhale in a test tube and sealed it with a cork. Ford kept the tube as a memorial to Edison's life and breath. Fact number 5. Ford's signature blue oval logo was not introduced until 4 years after the company had already been in production.
Fact number 6. In 1914 Ford offered its employees double the current market average, creating Henry Ford's $5 a day. The new salary, accompanied by a shorter working day and company profit sharing, minimized employee turnover, and was significant in growing the middle class and fair wages movement. Henry Ford was quoted saying he wanted to help his workers to a life, not just a living. Fact number 7. In 1964, after Ford debuted the Mustang, 94,000 pedal-powered toy Mustangs were bought for children the following Christmas season. Fact number 8. In 1965, a Ford Mustang was transported in 4 separate pieces to the observation deck of the Empire State Building, using resident elevators, where it was reassembled and photographed by helicopter. The car was later reassembled inside the building, until it was eventually taken apart and removed from the building 5 months later. Fact number 9. The only car that Jim Morrison, legendary Doors singer, ever owned was a 1967 Shelby GT 500. Fact number 10, Chevrolet actually used a Ford Super Duty to set up their Chevy truck display at the Texas State Fair in 2012.
Fact number 11, when former President Gerald Ford was describing his no-nonsense style of governing, he was quoted as saying,
"I'm a Ford, not a Lincoln."
comparing President Lincoln's eloquence with Lincoln, the luxury car company owned by Ford Motor Company. Fact number 12, Ford F-Series has been consistently ranked as the #1 selling car in America so far in 2013.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel for more interesting videos.